Hello guys, we are going to open a new Hot Wheel and we have some snacks. Look, 3 snacks, 1, and I can reach it.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, it is flying. Oh my gosh, like paper.
3 snacks?
Yeah. This Hot Wheel is called HW450F. Okay, HW450F. I will replace it with the title. Read the title and it will say the name. If you want to buy it. Wait. HW450F. See? It's quite weird. You can't see it, so I'll open it right now. That's not waste time. Yeah, that's some snacks. Let's get this off. Yo, bye. Let's get the motorcycle. Whoa! Look at this. It's so fast. Wee, brr. It's a motorcycle. You drive in this motorcycle. Brr, 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 brr. Okay, let's go outside. We're not even done with the video. I think we have 2 minutes and 34 seconds. So let's go. The video is not done yet. I'll just, for a reminder, like and subscribe and share. And just, we are not even done yet. And turn on notifications to not miss a video. Let's go. We bought this in Toy Kingdom, guys. It's a shame that this video will not be too long. So, what will I do again? I forgot. I forgot. Bye. No. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and comment if I can comment what you think. So.